State-owned nurseries are facing setbacks because of recent legislation that is limiting who they can sell trees to. Our own Lacey Monteleone is in the studio with more. Lacey?
Dennis, the legislation passed last July will allow state-owned nurseries to only sell trees used for public lands. Officials at Bedora Nursery near Akeley are saying that this is having a direct impact on their ability to stay self-supporting. For Craig Van Sickle, the pressure is mounting.
We've cut our seeding back to about 6 million, which is a lot of trees to most folks.
But not a lot of trees to Craig. Craig is the manager at Bedora Nursery, a state nursery that is facing some setbacks after a law passed last year that will limit who state nurseries can sell trees to.
We'll only be able to supply public lands, state, county, federal, tribal lands, municipal lands from this time forward, or private lands with permanent easements.
And for the Bedora Nursery, that's a big blow.
The fact that we're doing half as many trees means there's half as many folks working half as long, and it'll have an impact.
Now, under the new law, any trees that were planted before the law took effect can still be sold, but this is the last year you can purchase 1-year-old walnut trees. Next year will be the last year for 2-year-old maple and oak trees, and the year after that will be the last year private owners can purchase trees at all.
It's going to be tough, you know, to be self-supporting just on public sales of public trees and eliminating the private landowners from being customers.
Craig says he's proud of the trees Bedora has to offer.
The state nurseries, you know, serve the whole state of Minnesota, and we're in tune to all the native genetics that go into growing seedlings.
Bedora only uses seeds from Minnesota, and seeds from other areas may pose problems.
And that seed shouldn't be used here unless it's proven to be strong enough genetically to handle our cold winters and our climates.
The weather has already been causing problems at Bedora.
It's quite a challenge in the last decade to grow trees and keep them alive.
Bedora Nursery officials stay hopeful.
Eventually there'll be a big push for seedlings again, and hopefully we'll have the nurseries and the capacity to produce it.
So despite bad weather and fewer customers, nurseries still have a chance to grow. Lacey Monteleone, Lakeland News. Now, Craig says they have had a lot of calls from people who think that the nursery is now closed. Nursery officials want to stress that they will be able to sell trees to private landowners for the next 2 years. Dennis, back to you.
Okay, thank you very much, Lacey Monteleone. The legislation also requires the other state nursery in Willow River to close. It will no longer be able to sell trees and instead will be set up strictly for research and development.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.